Ako, nandito na ako sa Hong Kong. Ay! Surprise ko si Bayang. Team Kagapay. Team Kagapay. Chef Dom. Shout out Chef Dom. Chef Dom. Kusina ni Chef Dom. Shout out na dito na ako. Tingnan natin kung ano itsura ni Bayang. Tingnan natin ano itsura ni Bayang na nandito ako. Kasi sinabi ko hindi ako sa pupunta. Natatawa ako sa sarili ko. Kasi ang haba ng nilakad ko. Nandito si Maylaing. Ano? Oh, wala akong pakialam. Bakit? Bawal ba dito? Noisy? Wala naman ah. Ano? Diba? Yung admin namin, oh, diba? Ang sipag mag-antay, ang sipag magluto. Si Mayla. Sarap ng ano niya. Sarap ng pasta niya. Ano? Sana all. I like style. Sipag niyan. Oh, nagluluto pa siya. Nagluluto niya. Hello! Charap. Kumain kami, kakain kami. Sarap ng pasta ni Mayla eh. Antay natin kung sinong darating. Ilan kaya tayo? 10:04, 10:30. Malaki pala sa'yo yung large guy. Dapat medium. Eldong is now in the house. Hindi na kayo magluto na ka. Luto ako dito guys. Hindi na lang. Gamaya pa na ko eh. Hindi na lang. Oh, sabi mo alas 9 na nga. Alas 9. Hello. Sige na na. Ay. Sige na vlog. Hello. Thank you. Bayang daw ka? Hello! Red HQ Vlog! Hindi nyo magkakalit. Red! Who's coming? Hello, Inday! Welcome! Yes! Welcome! Nice! Si Kapitana, si Mayla! Oh, sabi ayaw! Ayaw si Pasha Y Vlogs! Oy, maglalay ba ako kami na? kayo ni Inday, sabi ko sa chat mo eh. Wala pa naman. Oy, hindi pa ulit. Wala pa ulit. Wala pa? Wala pa. Friday nga isa eh. Sino yung hindi kakain? Sunog na yan. Hindi, lagyan kasi ng tubig. Okay na yan. Busy sila oh.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. By my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
making sense, baby. So when can I see you again? When can I see you again? Yeah, yeah. In the heart.
si Pasaway. Eldon, present. Si Ren, si Gigi. O yan. Bye-bye. 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 Ingat kayo, ingat kayo. Bye. Bye.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night,